Alright, so guys, on today's video we are going to show you how to stitch a buttonhole using the what? A straight sewing machine. When I say straight sewing machine, I mean the what? The manual. You know, understand this type. You know, understand this is not industrial. There's manual, there's a straight sewing machine, and there's an industrial sewing machine. So I'm going to show you how you can what? Stitch a buttonhole if you don't have a buttonhole machine. You know, understand the machine that has a buttonhole that you can use to stitch your buttonhole straightforward. So you can watch this video to learn how to stitch a buttonhole using a straight sewing machine. You know, understand? So without wasting much time, let's get it started. So this is the fabric. Let's say like this is the overlapping of the trouser, or let's say like the buttons, the way you're going to what the place that you're going to what stitch a host for the what the shirt, or let's say like double you know understand the shirt buttons. You know, understand? So we are making, for example, video. So this is what we are going to do right now. All right, so guys, you see this place, this fabric, we are going to measure 1 inch. You know, understand? We are going to measure 1 inch. You know, understand? We are going to measure 1 inch in the middle like this. 1 inch. So from this place, you know, understand, and to this place, 1 inch, right? And we're gonna make it like this. You know, understand? We're gonna line it like this. You know, understand? Can you see? So we are going to what? Draw a straight line onto it. You know, understand? We're going to draw a straight line onto it like this. Straight line onto it like this. You know, understand? Guys, can you see it right here? So now we are going to what? Show you how to stitch it. So we are going to stitch it at the back of here, at the back of the line right here, and this one too, we're going to stitch it at the back of the line right here. So guys, let's get it done without wasting my time. Let's stitch it. So we are stitching from the top to the down part. We are going to reverse it. You know, understand? We are going to reverse it like 4 to 5 times. You know, understand? So let's first stitch it. You know, understand? So let's get it done. Can you see? When you stitch, then you reverse it. So we are reversing it to make it look like what? The actual buttonhole machine. You know, understand? So guys, we have done this place. We have done this first part. So we are going to what? Cut. No, we're not gonna cut it. We are going to start from the other part like this. We're going to start from the other part and stitch it just like we did this one. You know, understand? So we are stitching it. Then we will reverse it. You know, understand? I've misplaced the reverse. So you reverse it straight. I made a mistake reversing it. So you gotta watch the machine well, so that it's gonna reverse good for you. You understand? So guys, I am done this one too. You know, understand? I am done this one. So this place too, we're gonna turn like this, and to what? Stitch or close it. You know, understand? Close it. You are going to close this place. You know, understand? Just there like 4 to 5 times, just like we did the first ones. You know, understand? Or anyhow you're gonna make good. You know, understand? So we come to this place too. We come to this place too. We come to this place too, and to what? Stitch it. You know, understand? Just like we did the last one. Just like we did the what? The last one. So guys, we have done, right? So we are going to cut the excess thread from it. You know, understand? The top and the down. You know, understand? So guys, this is actually how it's looking. So you know, every hose that you will stitch, you guys to iron it, right? So we are cutting the thread inside thread from the inside, you know, understand? Cutting the thread that is inside, you are cutting it from 8, you know, understand? You are cutting it from 8, you know, understand? So we are cutting it. Can you see how it's looking? So we are cutting the thread from inside, you know, understand? So we cut the back 2, the thread that is at the back 2, you know, understand? The thread that is at the back 2, we got to cut it. So guys, we are going to iron it and to come and show you the results of the buttonhole. All right, so guys, we have done ironing it. So let me zoom it for you to see something. So guys, we have done ironing. So this is exactly how it's looking right now, right? Exactly how the hose is looking after using the straight sewing machine to stitch the holes, you know, understand? So we are going to open it. So to open it, you guys to fold it into two like this, you know, understand? You guys to fold it, and to open it, you guys to cut inside like a half or quarter inch, or cut a half inch, right? You know, understand? So this is actually how it's going to be looking, right? This is actually how it's going to be looking after you have cutted it, you know, understand? So you will be able to put your buttons inside. So guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share this video. This is exactly how to stitch a buttonhole using a straight or manual sewing machine. So see you in the next video. I love you. Bye bye.